All right, guys, this is part two. Mackie Chan coming back at you with the Metro framework. So I'm going to pick up where I left off. Make sure that you add in your toolbox, right click it, and make sure you go down to Add tab. Type in Metro, whatever you want to name it, the framework that you're going to use, because there are multiple frameworks. So I named this one Metro just to keep me in line with it. Then I right click it and I click add items. Once I hit add items, I allow this choose toolbar items to load. Once it loaded, I went over and I clicked browse. And then it automatically opened it up to where I had the MetroFramework.ddl. Click on that, the MetroFramework.ddl, not the fonts, not the rest of that, just the one. Click on it, add it. Once you add it, it'll highlight, it'll add it and then highlight it inside of here. Then you click OK, and it automatically adds it to your toolbox. But keep in mind, you must call to these functions via using exactly what you see: MetroFramework.animation, MetroFramework.components, MetroFramework.controls, .drawing, .interfaces, .native. You must use those to be able to add any of this to your framework. If you do not, it will be a problem. And I promise you, it will be a big problem. Put a Metro panel out here. User control. Let's come up here. Look for collection. There is no collection. Properties. So just so you know, to have these things added, you need to be able to do this, guys. So text. You're not going to be able to see it due to the fact that I didn't change the color of anything. Let that start and stop, and then I'll come back and show you how to do that. Remember, the DLL is in the first video, the download that you need to be able to proceed forward with this. It'll be in the first video. This is part two. Let this crap open. Okay, not gonna be able to see it. So we're gonna come over here. Let's see. Let's go to the Metro label. Let's turn the control text to active. Let's change the control text to active caption here as well. All right, but either way, guys, that's just basically how you do it. It puts it all down here for you, so you're able to do what you need to do. Enjoy.